Hey everyone, have you ever wondered how many searches are made every day on Google, YouTube, Bing, or even TikTok? Well, in this video, we'll break down the stats. So, if you're curious about which platforms dominate the search space, make sure to stick around till the end. This data is the result of my own research, gathered from multiple reliable sources to ensure accuracy. I've done my best to ensure the data is accurate, but if you spot any errors, just drop a comment and I'll make the necessary updates. That's all for today's video on daily search numbers by platform. If you learned something new, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.